So you know there's a party when you see balloons hanging all over the house. I'm about to make another one. If you guys want to see how I do it, it's super easy. Okay, don't mind the noise. My husband's watching the hockey game. So I just got these at Party City, and I get all different sizes. This 9, I think this time I did like 9 and 12 inch, but then some of them I won't fill up all the way. So I have a few of these like manual balloon pumps, but I so wish I had the electric balloon pump because that would save me so much time. But these work fine, but I'll link the electric one for you. Okay, so I'm gonna try and do this with one hand. So once you've filled all the balloons, I like to just go ahead and fill all of the balloons I have first so I can see the different sizes and colors. I take one and then I have a needle here and you can see so here's the fishing line that I use. It's not any particular brand. I think I just got like cheap kind at Walmart. And it's still attached to these balloons here. I did a few here. So I attach the fishing line to, okay, so I have the fishing line attached to the needle, and then all you do, and this is tricky with one hand, I don't want to pop this balloon and wake my kids, is just pull and then push it all the way through. So I'm putting the needle through this part, obviously, because if I did it through any other part, it would pop the balloon. And there's really no rhyme or reason to the order that I put the balloons in. I try to make it random because I think it looks better. So then the trick is to get it up off the floor, and then you're basically just gonna like play with it to make sure that it's all positioned well. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Let me know if you have any questions. But like I said, it's a really cool decorative piece that's super easy and super cheap.